Okay, you guys are watching this video because you guys want to know how to make a perfect airplane. Also, first grab a piece of paper and then fold it in half this way. Okay, now you guys want to open the paper, and we fold it because we want to know exactly where in the middle of our paper. Now you're going to fold this corner down this way, exactly on the line, and maybe even use your nails. And then also do the same with this one. Okay, now you guys want to fold it this way and like this. Fold it like this. Make sure that this is exactly at the edge. It's fine if it's a little bit off, I guess. And then now it should look like an envelope. And then take this top corner and put that corner about like over here. Leave them a gap. And then do the same with the other one. Okay, now you, this is called the lock, so you need to fold this part up to over here, so it holds these bottom parts together, and then now fold it like this. And then, last part, you need to fold this all the way down here. And then same with the other side. Okay, now it should look like this, and time to fly it. So you need to blow inside this part, and then just kind of like let it glide like that, and I'll show you guys my other 3 planes that I made. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.